In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to turn off sensitive content on Twitch. This ensures a safer and more comfortable viewing experience by filtering out explicit language, violence, or suggestive themes that may be distressing or inappropriate. To do this, simply head to Twitch. On your profile page, head to Settings. You will want to select on Content Preferences. Now onto this option of Hide Politics and Sensitive Issues, make sure to turn this off. Go ahead and hide all these options. And lastly, don't forget to turn on this option of blurring sexual themes as well. This is particularly important for younger audiences, maintaining age-appropriate boundaries, and for viewers who wish to avoid triggering or uncomfortable topics. Well, that's how easy it is to turn off sensitive content on Twitch. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.